So everyone, I just done my tinted at IrisPro. The model I choose is the Elite series. It's just below the diamond. The benefit of this is the II is 95%, UV is 100%. When you find the IrisPro, is don't worry about all the like series, all the number. You can come to here, so they clearly show all the models. What's the UV, what's the DLT, so you can compare one shot. If you still don't understand, don't worry. They have many good sales person to explain all the series, all the number, all the choices for you. From the IrisPro is that they have whole series of the tinted window. Is anytime. Once you booking your appointment, it's okay, they just fix for you. It's very fast. So the service is extremely good, like you can see in the videos. Something very interesting about the IrisPro tinted service is, as you can see, it's like every tinted window, they have one series, the badge, the number. So it's like protected by the warranty, everything. I don't think in Malaysia you have this kind of service, right? Another very important service is like for all the new car owner for the tinted from IrisPro is they will stick these stickers to remind you to don't open your window for 7 days. But depends on the weather. If the weather is still cooling, like raining, you might need longer. Same goes to the heater as well. Please don't open like at least 7 days. Another myth is people say, like window side, senior citizens, they always advise newspaper to clean, right? So actually this is just a myth. Please don't do that. The correct way is use clean water and the microfiber cloth, clean like that. Next tip is please be patient. I know like maybe you want to like upgrade your dash cam, like you put it behind, right? The correct way is please be patient, wait for 7 days or more than that first. Then you only attach and then you set up your camera from the rear and the behind camera as well.